What's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys have seen by the title and thumbnail, we have our first mod for the S4 and look who it's from T-Carbon. And if you guys are looking to get any products from T-Carbon or anything of this sort, make sure you check out our description. There is a link there. And yeah, let's take a closer look. Let's open it up. So as we open up the box, you can see we have this brochure of how to install it. And then once you remove that little black styrofoam, you can see what we're all here for. These beautiful carbon fiber paddle shifter extensions for my car. And what I love the most is how nice the weave looks. And then you could also see that these aren't replacements. These are just 3M on the back of the original tiny little shifters that come with the car. So the reason that I first of all looked into this mod is because the paddle shifters on the S4 that come factory are just too small. As you guys can see here, this is what comes stock on the S4, and you can see how tiny these paddle shifters are. So obviously you don't have an issue pressing them, but it would be so much nicer to have more real estate that you can actually touch, and plus the look. These are carbon fiber. All right guys, we're gonna do kind of a rough fit in before I peel off the 3M, and just to see how they look and how the fitment is. So as you can see, we have our paddle shifter here, and look at how perfect this paddle shifter fits over the existing one. Perfect fit. And just take a look at how much nicer this carbon fiber extension looks, because the whole interior is carbon fiber, and then now we have more on the steering wheel. So now for the install, you guys want to make sure that you do clean the back of the existing paddle shifter, and then before you throw your new one on, and then you're just going to want to peel off this 3M. Very easy to do. As you can see, I'm just peeling it off. All right guys, so we have the 3M peeled off, and that is our sticky side. So all we have to do is just line it up perfectly, and I find it's easier to do with the steering wheel kind of turned like that. And I'm lined up, and I'm literally just holding it in to make sure that connection is good. There you guys can see that I'm putting on the second paddle shifter. All right guys, so as you guys can see here, we have finished up the install. It takes literally 2 seconds to do, and we have both paddle shifters on. And boy, do these paddle shifters look way better because they match the rest of the interior now. And this is one mod I'm very happy I did. Cheap, easy to do, makes a huge difference though on the interior. So that will wrap it up for today's video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please drop a like. Also comment down below on what you think of the mod and how much it changed the interior of this car. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Also, if you are looking to get any of these paddle shifter extensions from T-Carbon, check our description. There will be a link. We'll see you guys in the next video.